You've been curling for months, and your arms still look like a deflated pool noodle in a t-shirt. Meanwhile, some guy who trains wrong by every rule you've ever read has arms like two coconuts stuffed in a gym sock. Here's the part that's going to annoy you. It's probably not genetics. It's not that you're lazy. You're missing three things: your triceps, your stretch, and your progression. And one of them is hiding inside an exercise you've probably never done in your life. I'll show you exactly what it is by the end of this video, and exactly how to fix all three before your next workout. Step 1. Stop worshiping the bicep. You think bigger arms means bigger biceps, so you curl. Then you curl again. Then you add hammer curls. Then you find a fourth curl variation on YouTube at 11 p.m. And somehow your arms still aren't growing. Here's why. Your triceps make up roughly 2/3 of your upper arm. 2/3. That's the difference between an arm shaped like a green bean and one shaped like a stuffed bell pepper. If you're giving your biceps all the love and your triceps a Tuesday afternoon glance, you're leaving most of the arm on the table. For every bicep set, do a tricep set. Equal effort, equal growth. That coconut arm guy from The Hook, this is his actual secret. Step 2. Stop rushing the stretch. But here's where almost everyone messes this up. They love the squeeze. They love the pump. They love flexing hard at the top of the rep. Then they rush the bottom. Let the weight drop. Bounce out of the stretch like it's lava. That's like watering the leaves of a plant and skipping the roots. Looks like effort. Grows nothing. Control the entire rep, especially the bottom. The stretched position under load is where a huge chunk of your growth signal actually comes from. Don't escape it. Sit in it. And that's exactly where the missing exercise comes in. The overhead dumbbell triceps extension. With your arms overhead, this movement loads the long head of your triceps in a deep, lengthened position, the exact spot most guys never train. Hold one dumbbell with both hands. Press it overhead. Bend your elbows. Lower it slow behind your head. Feel the stretch. Then press back up. No swinging, no rushing, and definitely no borrowing your neighbor's 50-pounder to impress nobody. Quality reps first. Load comes second. Step 3. Progressive overload. Even the perfect exercise won't save you if you never progress. Same weight, same reps, same difficulty for 6 months straight? Your muscle isn't stubborn. It's just not stupid. No reason to grow, no growth. Write it down. Week 1, 10 kilograms for 8 reps. Week 2, 10 kilograms for 9. Week 3, 10 kilograms for 10, then add weight. That's progressive overload. Not ego lifting, not randomly swapping exercises every week. Actual measurable proof you're improving. 3 arm killers. Mistake number 1, ego lifting. If your whole body has to swing to finish a curl, that's not a bicep exercise anymore. It's a deadlift with worse form. A lighter weight you control beats a heavy one that controls you. Mistake number 2, training arms every single day. More isn't automatically better. Hard training creates the stimulus. Recovery is what actually builds the muscle. 2 to 3 focused sessions a week beats daily junk volume every time. Mistake number 3, changing your workout every single week. If you're doing a completely different arm routine every 7 days, how would you ever know if you're getting stronger? You don't need 20 exercises. You need a few good ones, done consistently, done progressively, real quick. If one of these sounds like you, don't panic. Almost everyone's guilty of one. The only actual mistake is watching this and changing nothing. If you're leaning back and swinging the weight up, brace your core, pin your elbow to your side, use less weight if you have to. If you're locking your elbows out hard on every tricep extension, stop just short of lockout. Keep tension on the muscle instead of grinding the joint. If you're training arms first before your compound lifts, wrong way. Pre-fatigued arms make every push and pull afterward weaker. Pick one bicep exercise and one tricep exercise that both emphasize the stretch. Incline curls and overhead extensions are a solid pair. 3 sets each twice this week. Write down your weight and reps every single time. That's it. 2 exercises, 2 sessions, 1 number tracked. That's the whole reset. Bigger arms were never a mystery. They're just triceps you've been ignoring, a stretch you've been skipping, and a number you haven't been writing down. Fix those 3 things and the sleeve starts fitting different. Hit subscribe. Iron Burn Fitness drops a new one every week.